It's yours. You got your speaker turned on. Maybe it's bandwidth. Can you hear me? Can you hear me all right? Ah, there you are. Oh, you can hear me now. Thing is, with sound, it really can make or break a Zoom session or a Teams meeting. But why is it so important? Perhaps it's the fact that we recognize people by how their voices sound. And if their voices don't sound quite right, we have a difficulty making a connection. But very often, it's because we have to work so hard when the sound is bad that we just get plain tired. The webinar we're running for you in the next few days is all about sound and how to make sound come right, how to make a conversation sound right so that you can get on with the business without getting tired or distracted or both. So join us on Friday, the 13th of November at 12:30. I'll see you there.